Ready to transform your PowerPoint presentations from bland to grand with a simple yet powerful text design trick. First, open PowerPoint and create a new slide, or use an existing one where you want to add this effect. Go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on the text box button and then click and drag on your slide to create a text box where you want your image-filled text to appear. Now, type in your desired text for best results. Use a large, bold font something like Arial Black or Impact works great. Make the font size as big as possible while still fitting within your slide. Right-click on the text box and select Format Shape. This will open the Format Shape pane on the right side of your screen. In the Format Shape pane, click on the Text Options icon which looks like and then select Text Fill. Under Text Fill, choose Picture or Texture Fill. Now, click the Insert button. You can choose to insert a picture from a file on your computer, online pictures, or from icons. Select the image you want to use. Your text should now be filled with the image you selected. Make sure the Tile Picture as Texture box is unchecked. This will prevent the image from repeating inside the letters. Use the Offset X, Offset Y, Align, Scale X, and Scale Y options to adjust the image's position and size within the text to get the perfect look. Experiment with these settings until you're happy with the result. And that's it. You've successfully placed an image inside text in PowerPoint. Use this technique to create visually stunning presentations that grab your audience's attention. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tricks.